It took years of studying human behavior to realize just one thing that changed how I approach my goals completely. This video is the roadmap I wish I had years ago that can help anyone achieve anything, one step at a time. Most people fail, not because they don't have the discipline or motivation, but because they aren't following the right blueprint to get there. Every goal begins with one question. Who do I need to become to achieve this? That question is the foundation of all change. If you want to get fit, you need to stop saying, I need to work out. Start saying, I'm the kind of person who takes care of my body. It's called the identity first principle. Your actions will always align with your identity. So you can't just force yourself to change. You need to see yourself differently first. Your brain accepts two things: visualization and obstacle planning. It can clearly picture you living as that person, and it will prepare for what might get in your way. Together, these form something psychologists call mental contrasting. It's not just finding motivation, it's creating a realistic roadmap your brain will actually believe in. Here's where most people get it wrong. They start too big. Your brain doesn't like uncertainty, it likes proof. So we provide that proof through something called minimum viable progress. What's the smallest step we know we can take that amounts to progress? Want to be a writer? Write one paragraph. Want to get fit? Do one push-up. Want to learn guitar? Play one chord. These micro actions may look insignificant, but they rewire your identity map. Every small win is a vote for your new self, and your brain starts to believe it. Now, let's talk environment, because your surroundings shape your success more than willpower ever will. Your environment should make the right thing easy and the wrong thing hard. If you want to read more, keep a book on your pillow. If you want to eat better, make fruit more visible and hide the snacks. Use temptation bundling. Pair something you need to do with something you love to do. Listen to your favorite podcast while running. Work on your side project while sitting in your favorite coffee shop. Design the easy way to achieve success, and don't fight friction. Your brain has a glitch. It hates losing more than it loves to win, so use it to your advantage. Raise the stakes and put something on the line. Money, a public promise, accountability. When failing costs you something, success starts to look a lot easier. Psychologists call this loss aversion, and it's incredibly powerful. Another tactic at your disposal is the Zeigarnik effect. When you start something but leave it unfinished, your brain becomes obsessed with completing it. So just by starting towards your goals, even if you can't finish them immediately, is a bigger step than you might realize. Habits are the structural beams to your success. Build new ones by attaching them to old ones. Start with gateway habits. Habits that make every following habit much easier, like sleeping well, exercising regularly, or planning your day the night before. Follow these up with habit stacking. After I make a coffee, I'll read one page. After I brush my teeth, I'll meditate for 1 minute. Soon they'll just be part of your routine. Motivation is still important, but it's not magic. It's chemistry. Your brain releases dopamine not when you achieve goals, but when you make progress toward them. So track everything, every small win, every streak, every check mark. It's called dopamine scheduling, and you're training your brain to crave progress itself. Finally, let's talk productivity. Forget doing more. Focus on doing what matters with your full attention. Your brain takes around 23 minutes to reach full focus, and every notification resets that clock. Batch similar tasks together, reduce decisions, and protect your deep work time. The most successful people simplify. Same morning routine, same meals, same structure, because decision fatigue kills focus, and focus builds empires. The truth is, success isn't magic, it's math. It's identity, plus environment, plus psychology, plus consistency, which equals you achieving those goals. You already have everything you need to build the life you want. The blueprint is right here. Now it's your turn to use it, but be sure to let us know how you get on. If this resonated with you, hit that subscribe button and make sure you check out this video on overcoming your fear of taking that first step.